Today, I'll show you how to download signed documents in Docusign. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your completed documents, how to download them, and how to save them to your computer in the format that works best for you. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the completed envelope that contains the signed document. In Docusign, an envelope is basically a container that holds your documents, recipients, and all the signing activity tied to that set of documents. To find it, log into your Docusign account and go to your main dashboard. From there, look for a section labeled something like Completed or Completed Envelopes. This is where Docusign stores documents that have finished the signing process. If you don't see it right away, check under your Manage or Documents tab and filter by status to show only completed items. Once you find the envelope you're looking for, click on it to open it. You should see details such as the document name, the recipients, and the status showing that it's completed. With the completed envelope open, the next step is to download the documents. Inside the envelope view, look for a button or link that says Download. This is usually easy to spot near the top of the page or close to the document preview. Go ahead and click the Download option. When you click Download, Docusign will ask you to select the file format you want for your download. This part is important because the format you choose affects how you'll be able to use or share the document later. Typically, the most common option is PDF, since it preserves the layout, signatures, and any completion details in a format that's easy to open on almost any device. If you see options like Combined PDF, that usually means all documents in the envelope will be merged into one file. There may also be options to download individual files separately, depending on how the envelope was set up. Take a moment to choose the format that best fits your needs. If you're not sure which to pick, a standard PDF is almost always a safe choice, especially for printing, archiving, or sending to others. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice so Docusign can prepare the download. After Docusign generates the file, your browser will either automatically start the download or it will prompt you with a save dialog. Now you're ready for the final step, saving the file. When the save window appears, choose a location on your computer or network where you'll easily find the document later. Many people like to use a dedicated folder for signed contracts or important documents just to keep things organized. Give the file a clear name if you have the option, something that makes sense at a glance like the contract name and date, then click Save. Your signed document is now downloaded and stored on your device, ready for you to open, print, or share as needed. That's all there is to it. Open the completed envelope, click Download, choose your file format, and save the file to a location you trust. Once you've done it a couple of times, downloading signed documents from Docusign becomes a quick, simple part of your workflow.